Hey viewers, just a short video on how to make a vacuum former. These are just table tennis bats, old ones. This is milk bottle plastic. Here's a form already done on that one. This is the box. I just use this for the smaller one, but for the larger ones, just holes in it. Hole on the side there for the vacuum to go in. That's a solid box. Simple holder. On the outside, it goes over the hot plate, give it the heat. Plastic gets hot, goes clear, and bang, over the form. Turn the vacuum cleaner on and away you go. Pretty simple really. So just a normal household vacuum cleaner. Nozzle goes into the box. Nozzle goes into the box. Temperature will vary depending on the plastic that's used. The longest process is actually warming the plastic up to temperature. This frame is hinged, so I can open it up, put the plastic in between. You can use clamps, but I tend to use screws as they clamp down nicely and they hold the plastic pretty firm. As the plastic heats up, you can see it's going clear. It's getting quite pliable and soft. I wait till it's all clear and bulging so that it's got a bit of a bow, nice and pliable. The form I'm making today is a GT40 Ford, old Scalextric. Okay, we're looking close here. It looks pliable. Turn the vacuum cleaner on. Create suction through the box. Take the form off. Here we have a formed GT40. Remove the screws. I'm going to open it up. Just pop this out, which is easier said than done at times. This one's really clamped around there. That's the form we're looking for. There it is there. So that's about it. Pretty simple, fast, efficient. Once that's painted, that'll look alright. Now, thanks for watching.